Hey, y'all. Welcome. Happy Monday. I'm doing this video from my car. I got a package in. My son is in the dentist's office getting a crown put on his tooth. He had a root canal a couple of weeks ago, so I figure I'll sit here and do this and let y'all see my face for a change. If you are new here, welcome. I think I said my name already, LashawnTerry. What's that little thing in there? I don't know what that is. Look like some type of circle in the middle of the thing. I don't know. Anywho, I do have a playlist for you to look through. I have something for everybody. Not everybody. But thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you to my new subscribers that came to me from Fat Boy Fragrance. Salute to him. Thank you for having me on, you know, bruh. But let's get into these fragrances so y'all see here who it is. Hopefully you do. Daukins Arome. This is my third purchase. And trust, they had their spring summer launch Saturday, and I know some of y'all vultures went in there and took all of the doggone funfair in the lotion and in the oil. I mean, I thought I told y'all stay out of my way. Sometimes I get my times mixed up because I'm on Arizona time and we don't change and stuff, so I had my thing set for 12 my time, and when I woke up it was about 45 minutes into the launch. It had already opened. I got just about everything that I wanted except for the funfair oil. I believe I got the mist and I believe the lotion. I think, y'all, I don't know, we'll see when it comes though. But them vultures went in. When I tell you the funfair was all gone, and anything that it was available in, it was gone. This is a card that they send you when you purchase from them. I really do love their products. Their perfumes is to die for. Their eau de toilette perfume is what they call their perfume mist, and it is strong. And then they have their straight perfumes, which means it's a more fragrance oil in it than the eau de toilette. So whenever you see it straight, that means it's a stronger perfume. It has more perfume oil in it than an eau de toilette. I guess that's how you say it. I'm trying to be fancy, y'all. So I went back and got 3 of her oils that I had purchased the deluxe extrait perfumes in, and I really did like them. Got them right here. The first one we're gonna get into is Twice Baked. Probably when I did the unboxing first impressions on it, I was like, I don't know. But I sprayed it on me, and as it sat on me, I was like, this is really good. And so I went back in and I got the oil. Y'all know body products is my jam. Let me see if I can set this up somewhere else so y'all can see. Okay, I got y'all set up somewhere else. Maybe this will be a little bit better. So this is Twice Baked. Right now, I may go home. I don't know because I don't have my iPad with me. I'm on my phone, and I don't know why this little circle is right here. But that's really bothering me. Where is it? I don't know what that is. It's this little circle that's right in the middle of my screen. And I have no idea what it is. At the end, I will add on, come back. I just wanted to unbox this for you. I have smelled Twice Baked in the perfume, the straight perfume, and I really did like it. But I'll come back again when these set up, when I get home, with all of the notes of Twice Baked. It smells so good, but this is basically just an initial unboxing. I wanted to unbox it with y'all, and then I'll come back later with the notes. But this is not gonna act, well, it might, but this is the perfume oil. It's a very eccentric scent to me. It's not one of those straightforward, like, oh, this is so peachy, or oh, this is so bakery. But the perfume just enamored me. How it dried down and how it morphed. I was like, this is really good. So it was the same thing with this other one, which is Opulence. It was the same thing. Like, wow, this really did morph very nicely on my skin. And to me, I was telling y'all before, this smells like a cherry. It's Opulence. I think this is Tom Ford's Electric Cherry. But it was very, very nice. Yeah, this is Tom Ford's Electric Cherry. Maybe something else. I'm not sure, because the cherry is what Tom Ford make a nice cherry now. I'll just mix these all together. But yeah, I believe this is Tom Ford's Electric Cherry with something else, the Opulence. And I really did like that. I like a nice cherry scent. I really do. And then the last one I got was Caramel Glacy. I think that's how you say it. And I'm thinking Caramel Glacy is Lyra, is inspired by Lyra. Don't quote me on it though, y'all. Let's see. I smell the lemon in this. In the perfume, I believe this is Lyra. And I always thought when I heard people talk about Lyra, they talked about a lemon cake. Unless I'm getting my perfumes mixed up. But that's what every time somebody mentioned Lyra, I was like, they always say something about a lemon cake. And in the perfume, I don't know if I was getting lemon cake. I was like, but I am smelling the lemon in the body oil. It's just crazy how the body products, like a cream or oil, can kind of differ from the perfume. Just a little bit. Even though they're supposed to be using the same perfume oil for it. But I actually love it. This is Caramel Glace, although I ain't getting much caramel, to tell you the truth. But that's okay with me. I'm also smelling like a, I don't know, like a marshmallow or something. Something fluffy, like a marshmallow. But again, we'll get to the scents, to the notes that's in these. And if they was inspired, who they was inspired by, if any, or if it was just a Daukins original scent. But I believe Caramel Glace was inspired by somebody. But yeah, we'll finish the rest of these when I get home. I just wanted to unbox them with you, and we'll get back to it later. I'll see you later. Peace. Okay, peoples, I am back. So Let's start with Opulence. I told you I was going to give y'all the notes in this and who it was inspired by. So Opulence is inspired blend by Mason Kerr Child Baccarat 540 Extrait and Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. This is their rendition of it, and this is it says this refined scent beckons with hints of cherry liqueur, bitter almond, Turkish rose, tonka, sandalwood, and ambergris, forming a luxurious top tier fragrance. Now I had the what made me go back and get it was because I had got the sample, the deluxe sample in the extrait, and it was really nice. I liked it, but when I put the oil on my arm today, it was kind of giving, this stuff is giving me a headache. I really don't like it. I can't put my finger on the note. It's just something in this with the oil that is just not resonating with me, but I'm going to play around with it. I told you the note that did stick out was the Tom Ford's Lost Cherry because I do like that scent. But I don't know. We're going to play around with it because I already got it. The next one is Twice Baked. And this is inspired by Xershov's Casa Marati Italica. Notes of saffron, almond, toffee, milky accord, bourbon, vanilla, cedarwood, and musk that creates a luxurious aroma akin to warm almond biscottis submerged in a sweet and creamy beverage. Okay, Twice Baked. Now, Twice Baked, I do have, again, I had the deluxe sample extrait. And I was telling y'all, I think this kind of was marshmallowy to me. So wait a minute, was it? Okay. This is kind of smelling a little bit cherryish to me too, and it's most likely the almond that's in it. I don't know which one I put on my arm. I thought I put Opulence on my arm. And y'all, I got these scents all mixed up. Because with Opulence, the cherry liqueur is right there. Maybe I mixed them up with mixed Opulence up with Twice Baked. Because Twice Baked, I'm getting. And remember, I told y'all Xershov's. That's Lyra. That's the lemon smelling, or whatever they call it, lemon baked. I just got to play around with these, but on Twice Baked, the almond is coming off as a cherryish to me. It's not coming off as a creamy. I do smell sweet. I'm not really sure what saffron smells like, but the almond, it may be the saffron. That is, again, the perfume was very nice. Let me see. The perfume was very nice. I think it's not Opulence that got me thrown off. I think it's Twice Baked. And in the perfume, I'm kind of smelling a orange. Kind of like a sweet orange, sweet, yeah, I'm thinking I'm getting these mixed up. At Twice Baked, I'm kind of smelling like an orange, like a creamsicle, orange creamsicle, with some of that almond that's coming off cherryish to me. I believe because both of those, the almonds is giving a cherry to me, but Opulence has the Tom Ford Lost Cherry. So I don't know. I'm going to have to play with both of those by itself and see which one I'm kind of turned off by as far as the oil. Then you have the Caramel Glacy. Okay, this is the one that's inspired by Xershoff's Cosmerati Lyra. I thought I heard people saying that Xershoff's Lyra was a lemon pound cakey type of scent. That's what I thought. It says this fragrant perfume features inviting notes of blood orange, bergamot, cinnamon, jasmine, caramel, vanilla, and musk with a delectable gourmand flair. It's a remnants of delightful citrus pastry drizzled with a gooey caramel sauce. And I told y'all before, even with the perfume, I wasn't really getting caramel at all. I am getting a citrus. It smells like a lemon, but it might be a blood orange. So I'm definitely getting the orange. Yeah, this is an orange. I'm definitely getting the orange. Maybe a little jasmine. A little bit of vanilla in there, but I'm not really getting a caramel. And maybe it'll come out on my skin. I haven't played with the perfume much. But this one is nice. It also smells like maybe this can be like a marshmallow. Or this can be nicely paired with a marshmallow or a lemon marshmallow or something like that. I don't have, as far as I know of, any oranges when it comes to anything in my stash over here. But that's basically it for these oils. Like I said, I want to say out of the 3, Caramel Glacy is the best one to me. I need to mess around with these oils because I ordered them because I sprayed the perfumes on me and I really like the way they morphed. So we'll see. I might have to warm these two up a little bit from the cherry with another warm scent like a marshmallow or vanilla, something like that. But we'll play around with them. But that's basically my haul from my 3rd order with Daukins Arome. And as soon as I get my 4th order from them, which is their spring summer 24 drop, I will be bringing you that video. So y'all take care. I hope everybody had a great Monday and on to Tuesday. Peace.